Okay, yes, Hina, now you can make an announcement for the next event.
Yes, thank you, sir. Again, good morning to all. We know that previous game is chess. In chess, Asha is the winner, and second game is snake and ladder. So we can, for that, I would like to call Kavisha to share her screen and show that participate. Yes, not that, Asha. Not that, Kavisha.
Yes.
Now
Is my screen
visible.
visible?
Yes, it is visible. Yeah.
Yes. In snake and ladders, there were 29 participants. Kavisha, hello? Yes, okay, now. In this game, there were 29 participants. So we done that first and second round 18 April. Then round 3 and semi-final we done that previous day. So in this game, we can see that Asha, Kavisha, Hareshwari and Aditi is the winner. Then in between Asha and Kavisha, Asha versus Kavisha is the first match. In this, Asha is the winner. Then she is going to play final match. Then Hareshwari and Aditi. In between, Hareshwari is the winner. So we can see that Asha and Hareshwari is the play final match for in this tournament. So I would like to call Seema for commentator as a commentator. And I would like to call both player Asha and Hareshwari to come on the screen and play the game.
Which game is this?
Snakes
Snake
and
and
ladders.
ladders. Snake and
Snakes,
ladders.
snakes and ladders. Okay, so in this virtual sports festival, the second event, and the finals of the second event, snakes and ladders, will be played between Asha and Hareshwari. Okay, so now you can start.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I am sharing my screen, and I would like to request Hareshwari to enter this code.
Yes, Asha.
Screen is
Yes.
visible or
By the
not?
time they are, yes, dear, your screen is visible.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, all. As you guys have seen that in previous game, Asha was the winner, and right now I'm gonna commenting on the game called Snakes and Leather. From childhood, we are playing this game, but who ever thought that this kind of pandemic will come, and we will be playing it live and also doing commentary on that also. So tell me whenever you guys will be ready. Asha and Hareshwari are the two players for this game.
Okay, Hareshwari, you can enter this code.
Hareshwari, I can speak the code for you. It's 17300 403. Okay, Hareshwari is in the game.
Asha, your mic is muted.
Okay. Okay, who will go first? Asha is the first. Asha, roll your dice. This is very interesting about this game. For like you, if you want to start the game, you have to be there the number first for this game, not like Ludo or any other games. In that, in Ludo you have to roll the dice and 6 numbers you have to get. So let's see who will get number 1. Asha roll the dice, and yes, Asha is in the game. Okay, now it's Hareshwari's turn. Now it's Asha. Okay, Asha is got bitten by the snake. Asha once again. Okay, Hareshwari is in the game. This is very interesting about this game. Like when you get eaten by the snake, you will deliberately go down, and ladder will take you up. Okay, Asha. Okay, Hareshwari got 2. 1 step. Now it's Asha's turn. Okay, once again. Okay. Roll the dice, guys. Roll the dice. Okay, 2 points. Now Asha's turn. Okay. This is very interesting. Points. Yes. Okay. Both are doing it. Oh, Asha got bitten up by snake. Okay, Hareshwari. Now Asha. Once you get bitten up by the snake, you have to start from the beginning. Oh, Hareshwari. Okay. Great move.
Seema, I think that Hareshwari got this Wingardium Leviosa with Hermione's
Yes.
stick, and the object's
Yes.
name it is.
Yes. Yes, Kavisha. Okay. This is very interesting. Okay, now Hareshwari is there. Okay, now she got bitten up by the snake.
Seema,
Yes, Rohit.
one more thing as commentator, as omni commentator, I would like to make one point that
Sure, go on.
if we want to make these literary allusions and connect this with our philosophical ideas, then this directly gets connected to our ego. That it inflates and
Yes.
deflates our own ego, and as we get ladders, we all of a sudden come into that euphoria that okay, I've got success, and right from right after 1 or 2 moves, if we get eaten up by snake, we deflate. All of a sudden, our encouragement goes down. So
Yes.
this is get directly connected to philosophy. And as far
Yes.
as such dice-based board games are concerned, earlier it was not thought that these physical board games also will be transferred into technology and application-based things. So this we can say
Yes.
that evolution of technology also made everything possible at remote places also.
Okay, Hareshwari got bitten up by the snake. Yes, Rohit, interesting remarks made by you. Like, if ladder is there, snake is also there to take you down. Yeah, okay. This is a moral lesson we can get through playing games. Yes, Mehal, these all moral lessons. Yes. If ladder is our confidence, then snake is always there to question us, to make us. Okay, whose turn is this? I think the screen got stuck.
Seema, have you noticed Komal Jadhav has put a very interesting comment in the comment section?
Okay, I'm
That-
sharing it
Oh,
again. I think it is got stuck.
Okay, Asha. Okay.
Let's hope that game will be there. It will not get old.
So Komal had put this comment of success and failure, which we get as a learning lesson from this game, Snakes and Ladders.
Yes.
It is very interesting thing about this game that we can learn how to balance. Sometimes we are at peak, or sometimes we are under the river,
Yes.
getting eaten up by the snakes. So that is
Yes.
interesting.
Okay,
Yeah,
because
and
of
this
this
is also
screen sharing, the game will get over.
okay. So, Hina,
I
we
think
need you now.
Hareshwari is winning. Do you
Okay.
get the notification
Last,
that you are winning, Hareshwari?
No.
Do you get notification that
Hareshwari,
you are
did
the
you get
winner?
the notification? Okay, let's go to our leaders. Hina, what to do now?
Yes, we can decide. Leader is sorry. Winner is the
Hina,
Hareshwari because of power failure of Asha's side.
internet breaking. Yes.
Yes. So I hand over to
Because of
Okay.
the screen
Bharat.
sharing, I go in the meet again to share the screen again. But then because of that, the match will get over here. So it will be fine, no problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Hina, over to you.
So for concluding remark, I would like to call Sir for end this recording.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Hareshwari is the
Okay. So,
winner.
yeah. Okay, Hareshwari, congratulations to her for winning this game, Snakes and Ladders. Okay, let me end the recording for the second event of this virtual sports festival that was about snakes and